Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. This short video aims to focus on the appropriate salutation and signing of phrases for formal and informal email writing, which is a part of directed writing. So let's see quickly that what are the phrases which can be used for opening, which we call salutation. So it is about formal, right? So we may say dear sir, dear madam, dear sir or madam, dear Mr. You may use name and comma, dear Miss and surname, dear doctor and surname, to whom it may concern for journal inquiry. And these are some of the opening line which may help you to start with the discussion. I'm writing to inquire about, and then you can talk about your matter in hand. I'm writing in reference to, I'm I'm contacting you regarding further to your further to our previous communication. Then you can talk about the matter in hand. I would like to bring to your attention the issue of banning the homework. I mean, this is how you can use it. For the email closing part, the last line before signing off, you may end it. I look forward to hearing from you. It is for formal email, right? Thank you for your time and consideration. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you require any further information. I would appreciate your prompt response. Thank you for your attention to this matter. I am available for a meeting at your convenience. This part, this ending, and this ending is appropriate when you are particularly invited to discuss something. I await your reply. And the signing off, that the formal closure of email for a formal one can be your faithfully, your sincerely, kind regards, comma, best regards, respectfully, sincerely, with appreciation, warm regards, and then slightly less formal but acceptable. And after the comma, in the next line, you will provide your complete name, right? Now, when we talk about informal email start or salutation, so informal emails are definitely to our friends, siblings, or parents or cousins. So, hi, name, hey, name and comma, hello, the name and comma, dear, name and comma. Okay, still it's little casual with friends and family, WhatsApp and name, right? Now, some opening line which may help you to start with the your informal email. Hope you are doing well. It's been a while. How have you been? Just wanted to check in and say hi. I was thinking about you and thought I'd drop a message. I hope everything's going great with you. Guess what? I have some news to share. Similarly, to close your email, informal one, last line before signing off can be, can't wait to hear back from you. Let's catch up soon. Hope to see you soon. Write back when you can. Take care of yourself and talk to you later. And the signing off or the closure things can be best, comma, and your name. Take care, comma. Love, yours, cheers, with love, lots of love. Catch you later, hugs. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye for now, comma, and afterwards your name. I'm sure that this short video has given you a quick idea to start your formal and informal email and some idea to begin with your directed writing email task. Thank you very much. Stay blessed and contact me by your comments and tell me about your problem so that I can talk about them. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.